Hello my friends and welcome to my XC channel. This is my first video after a short vacation. And inside this box, as you already know, is the MEN 168. I get mine from ALIEXPRESS and they send it in this foam box. Because of this foam box, the model is better protected in the transport and they can lower the price because they didn't spend money on the original box. I will leave the links down below on the description for you can buy one of this. In this one I spent 75 euros. Let's open the box. First of all, we have the controller, and this is the usual controller in the last MEN models that I've get in my channel. In this bag they send some hardware parts to put in your model, stickers, Range Rover logos, instructions and user's manual, installation instructions for the hardware parts, and a USB charger. And well protected inside this foam box is the MEN 168. This is a 1/12 scale model with hard body and super nice interior. You can open the hood and inside you will find the 1200 milliamps 2S LiPo. The doors can be opened and you can properly see the scale interior that the MEN guys made in this model. The wheelbase is around 220. The shocks in this model doesn't seem to be any good. The axles in this model are portal axles and this gives us more clearance to the ground. The rubber of the tires is very hard, but this is a problem that you can easily fix later because the rims are bedlock rims. Now I will take the body out, and normally in the MEN models only need to unscrew the two screws on the back and these two screws on the front. And now we can see the light kit. We have lights on the back and on the front. Gearbox and maybe a 280 or a 370 motor, and this is the first time that I see in the MEN model the ESC separated from the receiver. Now you can easily change the ESC and the motor on this truck without changing the transmitter. And now I will mount the logos and the hardware. Hardware mounted, some stickers on the body, battery connected, and I already put two AA batteries in the transmitter. Let's turn it on. The direction is very terrible. It's proportional but make these not smooth movements. And now let's try the throttle. Front, smooth, backwards. Seems nice. This model have two speeds that are electronic controlled by the ESC. You can change these speeds in this button. This is first speed, and now with one click you change for the second speed. You can turn off and turn on the lights in this button. In this model on the front we have headlights and turning signals. On the back we have the rear lights, the brake lights, and the turning signals too. The electronics in this Amiens model is much better than in the other Amiens models that I know. As you can see, this Amiens model can easily climb my arm. You can barely notice the loss of power. And now let's compare this Amiens 168 in terms of size with my Amiens 78 and with my Mitsubishi Pajero from Tamiya. In the future, I will make an upgrade video of this model, so don't forget to subscribe my channel for you don't lose that video. Now it's time to test this model in the real world. Let's go!